Hey crochet lovers, welcome to Baby's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn this very simple and beautiful edging pattern. This I've made on hanky. You can use this pattern in your handbags, or you can use this pattern on your towels or in bedsheet edging, and wherever you can use this edging pattern. You can use this pattern on your sleeves as well, yes. And at the end I have also added the small flower to give it a more prettier look. So let's go ahead and learn how to make this super easy and beautiful edging pattern. Okay, so in this project, I am using two colors, and they both are 3-ply yarns. This is thin cotton yarn, which is of Red Rose brand, and a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm. Now, I'll start my work with gray color. First, I'll make a slip knot here, this. And now I'll start this edging on this Turkish towel. I'm using this Turkish towel this time, not a cotton hanky. And right from here, I'll grab the yarn and I'll take it to this height of the edging, which is already done, and I'll make a single crochet here. Now, 1, 2 chains and a double crochet here. So you have to basically maintain the gaps according to the size of your hook and size of the towel. Again, 2 chains and a double crochet here. These are the long double crochets because the edging is broad here and we have to cover the edging here. Then 2 chains and a double crochet here. Two chains, double crochet. Likewise, complete all the 4 rounds and I'll see you at the end of the round here. So finally I've completed this round and make slip stitch here like this. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the very next chain 2 space here, and I'll make 1 chain and 1 single crochet here to start up. Now I'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and a single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and a single crochet in next chain 2 space. Chain 3, single crochet in next chain 2 space. So likewise I'll complete throughout the 4 sides of this napkin, and I'll see you then. So this round is very easy. 3 chains and 1 single crochet in each chain 2 space. I'll complete this round and I'll see you at the end of the round. So I have completed this round, second round, and I'm going to do a slip stitch on the single crochet which we have started with. And now I'll change my color. Before that I'll cut this yarn. Let's start with the third round here. I'm taking this pink color here. This is dark pink color. Let's start with a slip knot here, and anywhere you can start with any of the 3 chain space. I'm starting here First, I'll make a slip stitch, one chain, and one single crochet to start with. Now, two chains. In the next one, I'll make a V. One double crochet, two chains, and one double crochet. Again, two chains and a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Two chains. In the next chain 3 space, I'll make a V. One double crochet, two chains, and one double crochet. Two chains. In the next chain 3 space, I'll make a single crochet. Two chains. In the next chain 3 space, I'll make a V. One double crochet, two chains, and one double crochet. Again, two chains. In the next chain 3 space, single crochet. Two chains, one double crochet, two chains, and one double crochet in the same chain 3 space. So likewise, we will follow this pattern of one single crochet in the chain 3 space. In the next space, I'll make one double crochet, two chain, one double crochet, then two chains, one single crochet, two chains, then a V of one double crochet, two chains, one double crochet, two chains, and one single crochet. So keep following this pattern, and I'll see you at the end of the round here. Okay, so the third round is also completed, and I'm going to finish this by making a slip stitch in the very first single crochet which we have made at the start. Now what we have to do is I'm going to make slip stitch and reach to the first chain 2 space here in the V. I'll make one slip stitch and second slip stitch inside this V, and here I'll make 5 double crochet. So 1 2 3 chains up, which will count as one double crochet, and 4 more. 2 3 4 and 5. Now I'm going to chain 1, and in the next V, in the next chain 2 space here, I'll make 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Chain 1. In the next V, I'll make 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So likewise, I'll keep repeating this round this way. 5 double crochet in each of the V's, chain 2 spaces, and in between I'll take one chain. Every time I'll complete 5 double crochet, I'll make one chain, and directly in this V, all the V's, I'll make 5 double crochet with one chain in between. I'll complete this round, and I'll see you at the end of the round here. So the fourth round is completed, and I'm gonna make my last one chain and a slip stitch in the third chain stitch which we have made at the start. And now I'll cut my yarn because I have to change with the gray color here. Okay, so my fourth round is finished, and so far my work looks like this. Let's start with a slip knot, and anywhere I can start. So I'm starting with the one chain space which we have made after every 5 double crochet. I'm starting with here. So again, one chain and one single crochet to start with the round, and then 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chains, and then a single crochet in the next 5 chain space, sorry, 1 chain space here in between 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains. Again a single crochet here in between 2 5 double crochet, or a fan of 5 double crochet you can say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, single crochet in between 1 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, single crochet in 1 chain space, and likewise I'll keep repeating this round, and I'll see you at the end of the round here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've made my last 6 chains, and now a slip stitch in the very first single crochet which we have made at the start. Now let's start with the last round of this pattern, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th round. So what we'll make is, in this first chain 6 space, I'll make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single crochet and a picot of chain 3 and 4 single crochet again in the same chain 6 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the next chain 6 space again I'll make the same pattern, 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, picot of chain 3 and 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll keep repeating this pattern of 4 single crochet, picot, chain 3 and 4 single crochet. I'll complete this round same way. In all the 6 chain 6 spaces I'll make 4 single crochet, picot and 4 single crochet, and I'll see you at the end of the round here. So as you can see, I've completed my round here. I'm gonna make 1 chain up and cut the yarn. I'll hide these tails. So finally my edged hanky look like this. Isn't it looking beautiful? So go ahead and try this beautiful and very easy edging pattern. And here I've attached a small flower with a bead and petals, 3 petals of the gray color, similar color, and this is it. So please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos, and I'll see you in the next one, and happy crocheting. Thank you.